Hello, Norbert here, energy engineer, and today talking in video 33A, the introduction version, about some blackouts which have been here in Tuscany. We just arrived from Sicily, and in Tuscany there were already a few blackouts going on because of the weather. And so now I want to reintroduce what I used already in Sicily, but also at the very start of my channel. 3 systems against a blackout. So the big system is the big inverter, which can really supply the power of a full contact, which in Italy is 3.5 kilowatt. And then the second system, which is a system which is composable with components which you put together yourself, so you have the flexibility to choose the components which you want, more power, more energy, or whatsoever. And then the third system, which is relatively more expensive for each kilowatt hour of capacity, but which is very practical. So that's this one. So you have on 3 levels, you have trade-off between investment, but also with practicality. This is the big system with 3 kilowatt nominal. This is still to be installed to connect it with the house grid. I let that do by a certified electrician. This is a system which you put together with your own components. So now this is the backup system with the battery, the lithium iron phosphate battery. And here is the inverter. Let's now switch it on. First we switch on the light, which goes now on this battery. And now we switch on the computer. And there goes the screen. You can charge the battery in 2 ways. "9 hours without power. We discovered that only in the morning, so here's my morning voice. There's a blackout going on, and the refrigerator is now working on this power unit. It's consuming 130 watts because it's put very on a low temperature, and it has been the whole night without current. The last 29% of the battery I use for the computer." Okay, we are at the end of this introductory video. Come back on Saturday to see the details. And if you like this video in my channel, please subscribe, then you will always be informed about all the tips and tricks to save energy, but also to ensure your supply for the essential things which you need to do with electricity, the so-called access to energy. So, we wish you good energy.